In this video, I am going to explain you some built-in function which are used in tuple. The first method is a length method. This method will return the number of element inside the tuple, or we can say that it will give you the length of items which are exist inside the tuple. So here we take some example. So here I created a tuple assigning some item, and now I'm going to print the length of this tuple. So here I'm using len method. Here I put a, I run this module, we get the result 8 because we have 8 items inside this tuple. So this is all about the length method. The next method is a max method. Max method will return you the element from the tuple which have the maximum value. So for that we have to create a tuple. So here I created a tuple assigning some item, and now I'm going to print the maximum value. So here I use max method. Here I run this module. So here we get the result 455 because in this tuple the item 455 have the largest value. So this is all about the max method. So the next method is a min method. Min method just similar to the max method, but it will simply return the minimum value from the tuple. So for that here I use min method, min. Here I run this module. We get the result 34 because 34 is the lowest inside this tuple. This is all about the min method. The last method is a how to convert the tuple to list, or we can say how to convert the list into tuple. So first we are going to convert the tuple items to a list item. So here I created a tuple. We have some item inside this tuple. Now I'm going to convert into the list. So here I give the variable b, and now I'm going to use a list. Here I put the variable a, which is this variable a, which is the tuple, and now I'm going to simply print the variable b. Here we get the result. So here we see the items are enclosed in a square bracket, which means that these are the list item. And now we convert the item from list to tuple. So first we have to create a list. Here we have some item inside the list, and now I'm going to convert into the tuple. So here I used another variable v, and now I'm going to use a tuple method, tuple. Here I put a variable a, which is a list. Now I'm going to simply print the variable b. Here we get the result. The all items are enclosed within a parenthesis, which means that these items are a tuple items. This is all about the tuple in Python.